If you need to make a change to your asset after you've already imported it into Tiled, all you need to do is import it with the exact same file name you initially imported it with. Let me show you what I mean. In Sketch, which is the design tool that I am using, I'll make the change, and then I'll look at Tiled and make sure that I'm saving it with the exact file name as before. Then, after I import it into Tiled, I'll be asked if I want to upload it as a new asset, replace my existing asset, or just skip the duplicate. If you click on Replace Existing Asset, your asset will automatically upload to the new design that you created. Your hotspots and navigation will all stay the same, although your designs have changed. Please be sure to reach out to us at help@tile.co if you have any more questions.